Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's quick guide I will show you exactly how to create an Amazon Flex account in Canada in 2025 so you can start earning money delivering packages on your own schedule. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first, make sure you are eligible to deliver with Amazon Flex in Canada. You will need to be at least 20 years old, have a valid Canadian driver license, access to a reliable vehicle, and also an auto insurance. You will also need a smartphone, either iPhone or Android, to run Amazon Flex app. Then let's go to the flags.amazon.ca. So here you instead of the com you will get this one CA for the Canada, and then click sign in or get started. So here you can say download the app to get started. You just need to download the app and then sign in with your Amazon account or create one if you don't have it yet. Then select your city or region. Amazon Flex is only available in certain Canadian sites, so make sure it is active where you live. Fill in your basic info like name, address, and vehicle details. And then after that, you will need to consent to a background check. It's required to keep drivers and customers safe. Upload a clean photos of your driver's license proof or insurance, sometimes a vehicle registrations. The background check usually takes a few days, sometimes up to 2 weeks. So once you are approved, download the Amazon Flex app from the App Store or Google Play. Log in, set your profile, and choose your preferred delivery blocks. These are the shift you will work when you pick up a block. You will head to the Amazon delivery stations, load up your package, and start delivering. And that's it. Now you are ready to create your Amazon Flex account in Canada and start earning extra income on your own time. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and drop any question in the comments below. Happy driving.